KoffeeGang. KoffeeGang. Conversation, caffeine, and correct jams.
Porter Robinson's featuring Madeon with the song Shelter. It is 8:23 a.m. The KoffeeGang in the morning. Hot 93.3. Misi and Sensei. Check this out. We have a special guest in the studio, ladies and gentlemen.
Very special.
When we say why, what you think of? I think of only one person. And that is Sultan. Welcome to Hot FM, my man. Welcome.
Thank you for having me and having us, Ninja Ninja, in the building.
Shout out to Blacka also.
Yo, Ninja, stop shot.
Okay, so guys, we have Sultan here. 8:30 will be time for the Coca-Cola football show, 15 minutes of football. And we're going to be talking to Sound immediately after that. But he has new music. The jungle.
Yes, sir.
Has he matured or written? Where we did with the jungle this time?
Is getting old, and we need to kill the jungle. He don't over mature. But there's a song that I really like, Superwoman. Oh yeah, that you see, you just let the cat out of the bag, because that song was supposed to jungle was supposed to precede that song.
Really?
And late on.
But you know
my people got it on Spotify and iTunes and all that. Yeah, I know. And
since we like good music, we also got it. We can't help ourselves.
You guys are futuristic.
You know what? I'm not gonna play that song yet. I'm gonna let people think about it. You know, because we've been playing that song, but I want them to think about the song and also think of what to ask Sound Sultan. He's in the studio. You can get on WhatsApp 081-800-899-33.
Yes,
and also Hot FM _ Lagos on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also Snapchat. Remember, we are visual radio. So you guys can go on www.hotfm.ng and just check out Sound Sultan. Let me just switch to his camera right now. Let's see. Is it this one? Is it this one? Is it this one? Is it that one?
Oh my gosh.
Don't worry, we'll get to it.
Yeah, we'll get to it.
I'm famous.
Give it 2 minutes, and we're almost there.
Lovely cameras, by the way.
Yeah. We are visual radio, bruh.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
All right, guys, if you want to see Sound Sultan right now, just log on to hotfm.ng/Lagos and you will see him live in the studio.
Yeah,
looking very dapper.
All blue and white.
Yo.
Blue and white with the shades and the snap down. Doing the Millie Rock there while sitting down.
Oh my gosh.
We'll be back, guys. We'll be back.
KoffeeGang. Conversation, caffeine, and correct jams.
Yeah, we have a fantastic guest in the studio. We've been talking off the microphone, off air, and it's just been really enlightening, you know, because we love football. I know he loves football, but I think he's crazy more for basketball than football, right? Yeah. So do you support LeBron moving to Lakers?
Oh my gosh, that's like me having. Let me see. How can I put it? Me having pounded yam and goosey with snail and then topping it up with cranberry juice. Sorry for the advert.
Ew, that's nasty.
No, that's my favorite juice and my favorite food. It's not like I have it together.
Okay. Okay. Like the cranberry juice to wash it down while you eat the snail. Okay, I'm guessing.
The juice to wash it down.
I didn't hear the juice part. I just cranberry sauce.
I've always been a Laker fan.
Yeah.
Before, I hopped on the bandwagon to their neighbors in the Bay Area, Golden State. So,
but why
Golden State
post Kobe?
The Lakers, it was terrible.
I couldn't be supporting Arsenal and supporting post-Kobe Lakers. That was too much heartbreak. And also be by blood related to Super Eagles. That's not fair.
It was too much on your heart.
There's something
Were you an Arsenal
I can
fan
correct.
As well?
Yeah.
Of course.
Oh no!
That's something that I can use my hand to correct.
Oh my goodness!
So now, I've always been a LeBron fan, by the way. I always get his jerseys and stuff. I love.
So you always move whenever he moves.
I move with him. I went to Miami.
And you're an original.
And then you have to move to my own. So that's why I said I have my goosey and my pounded yam.
With your cranberry juice
already.
Okay, guys, Sound Sultan is in the studio. Like we said, you can ask him anything on Twitter. It is hotfm _ Lagos. You can also get on our WhatsApp page, 081-800-899-33. So the 2018, how's it been so far for you? What have you told yourself to do, Baba? Because you know this game, things keep changing.
Most definitely.
Sounds keep changing.
Most definitely.
New guys keep coming up here and there. And you are still here. This is like what, 20 years down the line?
Yes, most important part of everything is just to keep your ears open.
He's a vampire. He doesn't age.
You say that, what will you say about Kitensho?
Oh,
that's true.
Or RMD.
That's true.
So I might
there's something in the water. Black don't crack.
Yeah,
that's just what it
black
is.
don't crack. Trust me. Just kind of like refreshes.
Fantastic.
Yes,
it's lovely. It's lovely. We like it.
But most importantly, the music.
Yes. So what I always try to do, is listen to what's obtainable out there, what's happening, what's the new thing, and then make sure, I don't get caught up in that. Let it affect my content, the lyrical content and everything. So I just try to marry the two together every now and then. Maybe a producer that I know that's really giving that new sound, I'll mess with him and then we'll see what comes up. So that one, no, they shake. I mean, if you get your foundation of your music or your inspiration should always be based on knowing what's new and what's you.
Yeah.
So you blend the you and the new.
That's a good question. Yes. Knowing what's new, what's you. So how have you been able to keep you all through these years?
Yeah, man. It's not something you can look from the outside. It's inward. That one, because if you look from the outside, you'll be, waiting for validation from people that maybe didn't even know you from the jump. Yeah. So if you look at what has made people follow you for that long, you have to keep them going with you. Then the sound, of course, to keep you in the playlist of the DJs.
Yeah, and also
you want to be on that BPM.
Keep you in the ear of the
new ones. Of course,
yeah,
definitely.
Okay. The new song is titled Jungle.
About in 2007.
2007.
That date like
you were like 200.
That BC. That date be like BC. Yeah, 2007. I sang a song and it was modeled after the story, the Animal Farm story. For the new ones, you can go and Google it.
Yeah.
For the younger ones, you can go and Google it. But for the old guys, you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Animal Farm, yeah. So,
okay. You know what? We're gonna play the song Jungle for everybody to get the vibe. And then we're going to come back to Sultan and tell us more as regards, the musical. I want to hear about the musical, the concept, still going.
They are watching us right now.
Yeah,
so
of course.
Please, you go put the volume of the song on it.
So you can dance, or you're going to dance for us?
I don't know, as the spirit leads.
As the spirit leads.
You know what?
The spirit leads you to dance.
Go ahead and introduce the song. Introduce it. Do it, Sound Sultan.
This is Sound Sultan, all up in the place. I want to, in the spirit of Fela Anikulapo Kuti, bring to you the vision that we have seen, and we hope that we stop it before it materializes into the real jungle. About the country, I feel like everybody out there, we need to check ourselves because we are all animals. We might be different animals, but we are animals in our own right. So please enjoy the soundtrack to your life. Ninja Jungle.
They live on the roof while some sleep on the ground. Some they walk or they walk while some shop till they left food for granted. They walk baboon, they shop plenty for jungle. When lion they talk or shop up plenty levels for jungle. Some they drop, some they count, some they crawl, some they bounce, some they live on the roof while some sleep on the ground. Some they think, some they fast, as them chop our country go down. They walk baboon, they shop plenty and move for jungle. When tiger they come, lizard go run, levels different for jungle. Jungle. Concrete jungle, my country jungle. Lion dey there, jungle. Cheetah stay there, jungle. And the cheetah where, jungle. Hyena dey there, jungle. Jungle no go dabaru, no go dabaru. Love my neighbor, no day, Bambi, all I know they. No day. Nobody for jungle, everybody on your own. That's all you need for jungle, everybody on your own.
Fantastic with the song Sultan Jungle here on Hot 93.3. The whole studio
when they watch radio. Like somebody say, I see your voice for radio.
The whole studio turned into a dance floor.
That's never happened before.
What the hey? See, we're all like.
That's never happened before.
I think we all lost our breath. Nah.
We gotta catch it.
Okay, the thing is this. Like we're still experiencing some of the things that Fela sang about. How many years ago?
You know, it's like someone say, "Ah, man, you're like a prophet." That's what that man. You see when he sang Jabajanti, and I'm like, but brother, I'm not a prophet. It's just so bad that our government, they make things improve.
Yeah.
You know, suppose by now they say, oh, somebody talked about it and now it's still happening. That's not. It's not something I should be happy about. It's not accolade for me.
At all. It's not.
You know, don't mind the breath.
Like we've all actually lost our breath. I'm trying to. I'm
at least thank God say that they see us, so they go know what we do before when they make us.
I am stylishly trying to catch my breath. So what's the video going to be like?
I don't want to let the cat out of the bag, but they will see animals. Yeah.
Like people dressed in animal costumes, or
anyhow you see them. But animal in people's lives.
Check. So how do you think we can get this jungle sorted out? Because the thing is, a lot of let me just be honest with you. Going through what I went through, and remember I wrote like an open letter to Yusuf Buhari. I had a lot of young people come into my DM on social media telling me how much they've lost hope. I'm talking about people about 17, 18, 19, 20, and we're like, Sensei, look at you. What if I went through, what? Yeah. How would I? How am I
normal guy?
Like, there's nothing assuring me that I have a future in this country, and I become like, I don't know what to call myself. Then I was like, please don't lose hope in Nigeria. You are the people that we are hoping will take this country, to where we're supposed to be. But how do we correct this? People say get your PVCs. A lot of people they're not interested anymore.
What I feel is reorientation, and this of course might not come with this generation. I'm not rhyming. It just happens by fluke. So, but what I'm saying is, Nigeria, we always blame the government. The government is already the government. Why can't we? Yes, we always do that for our daily lives. We provide light for ourselves. We provide water, everything. That's our own government, our own local government. Yeah. We're not talking about that one. That one's for survival right now. What about the future of the country? What are we doing now? What I see is the mindset of the people. They have kind of like.
They're tired, but
they've been conditioned to a certain. No, it's not. You see, when you keep doing that blinging, it's still a cycle. It comes down. That blinging. That's how we don't do anything. We keep blaming. What I feel is the people themselves. What are you doing as one person? To correct the narratives or to change that narrative. Everybody's mind right now is everybody think like animal. Ordinary for streets here, if you just go outside there, see things where they happen. See bus drivers, see this, everybody's acting weird. Everybody's acting weird. And if sometimes when you want to do the right thing, you look like you're the wrong person.
You look stupid.
So when that, you know, when everybody's head correct, we can't know what to do about the government. Because right now we are so divided, and even apart from the division, people are not ready to, right? Like I said, it's like how do I put it now? Like everybody's been conditioned to this way so much that they have figured out routes around it, and it's not really positive routes, but everybody's just
for survival,
outwitting each other and just trying to
just because, and then
that's how it is. That's how it is. For me, I see Nigeria as a like a trinity formation or a triangle of some sort. Nigeria, the motherland; Nigeria, the people; Nigeria, the leaders. And when I look at Nigeria as a whole, which one has failed us the most? Nigeria, the people. Because that's the pool where we get the leaders from.
Yeah.
The people that were complaining 20 years ago are part of the government now. What are they doing?
Can I give you an example? Don't
worry, just watch come and see my concert.
Okay, I forgive you. Example.
Yo, come to my concert. Come to my concert. Okay. You will see the animals.
Check this out. Also, as regards how we can set things right, how we can change things. But don't you think that to an extent they have our remotes? Because an election cycle is coming up, and you know we're talking now, but there'll be people that will be giving rubber.
That's what I'm saying. I have a song,
yeah.
Please, if you go online, please, I want you to play a song. It's out now. I want you to play it right now so that we can now talk about it. It's called OSAC. Original Situation Artificial Concern.
Okay.
It really kind of like encompasses all these things we're talking about. People, like I said, we have devalued ourselves. Like we don't have values anymore. Government, they're very sharp now. If you come with your peaceful protest or group of peaceful protesters, you know what they will do? They just sprinkle some bad elements into there, and it's not like you guys are registered. So if they bring like 20 more people or 30 more people, where they there with arms and everything, when no say they won't come destroy government property to just give you a bad name, they are in that group and they will just disrupt everything and they will now say it's this guy.
Or they'll pick out a few people and give them money. And
no, they don't have to pick out from your own set. Don't worry. They don't settle.
They've done that, bros. They've done that. Okay, you know what? We'll go to the music and then we'll come back. We have Superwoman that's on. Yes, we've been playing it before.
Yeah.
So we have to continue playing it.
Now that you're here.
Because we like it.
Okay.
We like it, and then we'll get the other one, OSAC. We're getting it. We play it.
KoffeeGang. Conversation, caffeine, and correct jams.
What's the year like for you? What are you projecting for yourself this year, Blacker?
This year is actually going well for me because at least I've done a song with Beanie Man and we're working on the video right now. It's not like I featured him, he featured me.
Yay!
So that's real big for me, you know, with DJ Buddy J. And then we're working on the video, like pretty soon we're shooting the video and then we'll drop the video and the song. And I have a song with Egyptian.
Exclusive, just drop exclusive like this guy.
What's going on here?
So
wait, what?
And then I have a song with Young Paris on that Rock Nation too.
Okay.
Come. Where are you from? Where are you coming from?
My name is
Google is your friend. All right, some on it.
The song with Young Paris is out, so you can check it out. Whine it.
Are they trying to drag you away from Nigerian Ninjas?
No, that's for the world. It's
for the world.
It's not for anybody. It's for the world.
I love it.
But funny enough, whenever I drop any song, I get like an international collab. Because when I dropped Chicks and Drinks, was when I did a song with a friend in South Africa. His name is Baggy Fresh. He featured me and MEG when MEG was popping that time.
Yeah.
You know, I wrote that song too. It's online. You can check it. Only one shot. And then when I dropped Mana Style with Nyanya and Young Earl was when I got the collab with Young Paris. Then when I dropped Loverboy was when I got the collab with Egyptian. Then when I dropped Loverboy Remix, then I got the collab with Benny Man.
Okay.
So I just dropped Move right now. I'm waiting. Probably maybe Chris Brown.
Drake!
Or Drake.
I told you that yesterday, yeah.
You don't want any pusher? No pusher on it? No? No?
Anybody is welcome, you know.
Missy said no.
No, we don't.
Okay, so we're looking forward to the concert. The concert is going to be when?
October, by God's grace.
October. That's a very significant month for us.
Yes, that's why.
Yeah, very, very significant.
That is the reason why I chose.
Sending a message out to the people.
It's a green month.
If you could,
and the jungle is green.
Yeah, the jungle is always green, whether I like it or not. Whether it will soon scatter or not, it will always be green. If you could, I want to ask you, Shai, if you could pick one candidate from everybody that has shown interest, or an aspirants from the aspirants that have shown interest to become president, who would you pick? Do you have somebody in mind already?
I have a couple of guys in mind, and I'll keep it to myself, not to influence any other person.
Okay, we're not trying to influence any other person, but give me if you.
Well, the person is young.
If the
people will be young.
How young is young? What age is young for you?
16.
No.
Not even legal.
You know, you've already seen the list of
the
hopefuls, and for me, I'll pick like 2 of them out of that. Who, of course, I follow them and they follow me, and they have Instagram accounts that are working.
Okay. Okay. Give me your qualities. What are you looking for in an aspirant? Somebody that wants to lead this country.
You see, they make it look like it's rocket science, actually. Every time they say, oh, a young guy. No, he must have started from, what, to learn corruption? He started from being a House of Rep or House of Senator. Is it for him to go and learn the ropes of corruption?
Yeah.
Or how to hide the government fund? What is he learning? He doesn't talk like saying he's supposed to collect freedom. Leave that thing. There's no hierarchy too. If he knows, he knows. And then everything else works with him and works with his vision. So for me, I don't believe other ones say,
you must at least know the system.
How did you start? Most of the people ruling us now, they started when they were in the 30s. Yes, now go check out when go on the rule now.
No.
Nah.
Him?
Yeah.
And him.
Are we doing 4 pictures, 1 word now or what?
I'm showing him the list of presidential aspirants. The one of them is one you support.
Yeah.
The first one you were supporting.
Yeah.
This one. The second one is the one we both support. No.
Okay. No. because everybody else cannot see what you guys are doing, even though
this guy.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I can give hints without saying names. There's one that's very down to earth, very fella-esque.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is one of the people he supports. And then the other person he supports is the other person you were supporting, the one with the wife that's a mogul type thing. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, people, you should get it by then. Do some Google, and the people who are there's a man that's very fella-esque, very.
So are we going to be wearing suits with one of them?
No, one's wearing a suit, the other one is not wearing a suit.
The rest of us will be wearing suits because of one of them.
No, not that one. Not that one.
I know. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
All right. Okay.
Okay, guys. We're gonna go ahead and
like him, right?
we're gonna go ahead and play more music. When we come back, we will take
a revolutionary.
We will round off with Sultan. We had a great time. I'll also take some of your questions.
Coffee Gang. Coffee Gang. Conversation, caffeine, and correct jams.